Chin tucks are considered by many as the most important forward head posture exercise, but with a few tweaks they could be so much better. So here's how. There's three main things that we need to do to improve our forward posture. One is stretch the muscles that pull us forward. Two is strengthen the muscles that pull us back. And three, mobilize the joints that get stuck in that forward flex position. Now, chin tucks traditionally work mainly on the strengthening aspect, but let's see if we can't enhance those other components. The position of your mid-back during chin tucks is very important. The straighter the thoracic spine, the more effective they become. So what happens if we really accentuate that mid-back extension? Start off sitting with your hands beside you on the bed or on your office chair, then retract your shoulders and push your chest forward and up. This will, 1. Mobilize and open the sternocleidomastoid joint in your breastbone, which can actually become restricted in poor posture. 2. Retract the collarbones and mobilize the sternoclavicular joints, which are often stuck forward in bad posture. 3. Work the muscles that retract the shoulder blades more than a conventional chin tuck. And most importantly, 4. Mobilize a lot more spinal joints right down into your mid-back during the exercise. Poor posture starts off in the mid-back, so if your mid-back is rounded when you do chin tucks, you're not going to get much movement in there. But if your thoracic spine is straighter and extended, particularly accentuated, then as you do chin tucks, you'll feel vertebra moving right down into your mid-back. Try it and see. In this position, do 10 slow chin tucks, keeping your chin down as you move your head straight back. You don't want your chin too far down or too far up. And press your tongue against the roof of your mouth as you retract, as this can help activate the right neck muscles for good posture. If you find that your pecs get tight and pull you forward into poor posture, you can try this stretching variation. In a corner, place your hands out wide just above head level with your elbows slightly flexed, and put one foot forward with your knee bent. Make sure you don't arch your lower back, but lean forward to stretch your pecs, then push your chest forward and up slightly to get that same extension in your upper back. Now do 10 slow chin tucks in this position. This last version is for people who have no trouble touching their head against a wall behind them. The deep neck flexors are one of the main muscle groups that we want to strengthen to improve our posture, and this variation gives them a good workout. It also stretches the little intrinsic muscles at the back of the spine, which shorten with poor posture. With your back against a wall, externally rotate your arms, protrude the chest, and then slowly slide the back of your head up the wall. Imagine you're trying to look down at your chest as you lengthen the back of your neck. Hold for a few seconds and then repeat 10 times slowly. These combination exercises are aimed to do as much as you can in one single exercise. But if you want to do the full range of exercises, then check out my video on fixing forward head posture, and I'll link that down below. But that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. If you did, consider writing a little comment, liking and subscribing, because it really helps. Cheers. Check out my video on fixing forward head posture, and I'll link that video down below.